Hi, Dion from Melange Electrical, professional electricians qualified to do the necessary COCs, installation of all electrical work and solar installations. So can a system do a startup on a high energy supplied like an aircon or a geyser? Yes, short answer is yes, but depends on what size installation you got. So if you've got a 5 kilowatt inverter, and you're looking at the geyser 3 kilowatt, so the difference there's say 2 kilowatt left. So if the geyser's on, you can't use a kettle and stuff like that. But if you've got an aircon and it's the energy efficient one, like the inverter type, yes, you can run it with the geyser also. If it's the older type aircons or the little bit cheaper ones, your startup current is quite high. Then you can't run it with the geyser. But if you run it separately, yes, you can do it. If you go to higher inverter, obviously, then you do the calculation. You're looking at the kilowatts and the startup kilowatts, then you can run 90% of them and you won't have a problem with the whole installation. So it all depends on your kilowatt and the efficiency of your equipment, like your geyser, what type of geyser element you got in, inverter type, all that make quite a big difference.